Dry skin or eczema or skin that is irritating you. In other words, you are in a dry climate and it's itching and you don't know what to do. Rest assured, something can be done about it. I'm Alan Wonitz, a nutrition expert, and I help people restore their health with supplements and nutrition. I have helped a person, I can give you a story, who has been trying to get rid of his eczema for years, been to dermatologists, many dermatologists, costing him a lot of money, costing him a lot of creams that he's tried, and none of them actually resolved his problem until he came to ask me for some help. So I listened to his story and then I found out what he needed to do. Basically, if you've got dry skin or eczema, basically you would have some form of inflammation which your skin is actually experiencing. So first thing you have to do with skin problems is you need to actually remove the inflammation. And there's a natural way of removing inflammation. Because if you look in the creams that are used, the creams actually have got steroids in them, cortisol. And cortisol is an anti-inflammatory. The thing is, your body actually makes cortisol naturally. So how does it do it? Let me share with you how I actually helped him. And today he's been eczema free for more than 2 years. And he even shares a story, his testimonial of how I helped him. And let's go into the details now on how you can be also free of dry skin or eczema. And if you've been frustrated, stay with me. Rest assured, it can be fixed. So I'm going to give you 3 tips, 3 areas, right? First area is anti-inflammatories. So what is the norm? As I said, it's cortisol-based creams, which are steroids. And the natural way of cortisol production is with a combination of vitamin C, vitamin B5, B complex, and omega-3. You take this combination in the right dosages, which I give you. I offer free consultations. So I'll give you the dosages for that so that you can also experience a relief from the dry skin and the eczema. Now, rest assured, this it's not an immediate thing. It takes a little while because the skin repairs from inside out. So your body repairs the skin or builds new skin it takes about a month to go from the inside up to the end, because now your skin is at the end part and it's dry. So it started to get dry or get damaged from the beginning at the bottom. So why it gets damaged is because there's inflammation under the skin. So now you remove the inflammation. So now new skin is actually ready to be built now. Now you need to build new skin as well under you. So step number 2 here will be skin hydration and moisturizing. So how do you moisturize? So you've got creams, but some of the creams that you put on the thing, it's got petrol in it. If you look at the label, you see petrolatum. Petrolatum is petrol-based. All it does is when you put that cream, it's just a barrier. It blocks the skin from losing water. So it loses that hydration, which is your moisture. So your body has to be able to contain the moisture. So it mustn't lose it. So why is it losing? It's because the skin is breaking up. So what is the natural way of actually helping the body make new skin, which is made with collagen? And how do you have the collagen hold the water? There's a product called hyaluronic acid, which actually the body can make that acid from milk peptides. I'll give you all the formula. Milk peptides, you get it from yogurt, kefir, and whey protein. So that produces, and hyaluronic acid actually attracts water. And collagen is the structure, so which holds the water. That's how your body becomes moist. Now you also need antioxidants, which is vitamin E, avocado oil, or grapeseed oil. You're gonna find creams which are moisturizing, natural creams which say moisturizer. If you look at it, all it's got vitamins E and some oils in it. So you put that oil in it, and it's just an antioxidant which prevents the stuff. It doesn't solve the problem, but it does a protection effect, because you need hyaluronic acid and collagen for the full skin structure to become perfect, and to remove all the dryness and all that. And lastly, if your skin is in trouble or you've got eczema, normally it's a liver problem as well, because the liver is a detoxing agent. And if the liver cannot detox, the skin starts becoming a detoxing agent. So that's another problem as well. So we can consider that. It's not everybody, but it could be a liver problem. So you do a liver cleanse so that the liver is able to detox and the skin is now left alone to be the skin and which look nice and beautiful. All right, so that's the end of it. Hopefully you've learned something from that. I offer a free 30-minute health consultation. You can book a free health consultation and I can go over that with you. Follow and subscribe my channel, and so that you can get new health tips, and you can go and discover all the other materials, all the other videos that I've done that give you information on nutrition to solve any health problems. Thank you for listening.